Hi, YouTube. I apologize for the, discrepancies, if you will. That's what happens when you're using your cell phone. The words and my motions will be off. My lips will probably be off from it. But anyway, in the last video I had left off talking about the sea salt in the water. Basically, my loctician said it'll help her tighten up her locks, but she don't know anything about um them helping them to actually lock. That's what she was telling me about now. Back to the different products that I have and that I usually use or whatever. This no more itch spray. And it's medicated because I have like dandruff, but I just found out recently that dandruff is good. It's good to have a little dandruff, I guess, or whatever. But this works pretty good. I have a little bit left, and I don't use it as much. I haven't used it in probably about 2 months. And this locking gel, it works. It works well. I've used about half of it up, but um, it's really, I just don't like, it had my hair itching. It made my hair itch. It made my hair itch, and I didn't appreciate that. So I mainly use, this is the main product that I usually use to lock my hair. It's this resistant formula gel. And as usual with mango and lime products, it smells really good. So well, now what I've used on my hair today is I had bought it earlier today. It's this Carol's Daughter lock butter, and it works pretty good. It smells good. I know that much. So you know, I guess it came out pretty alright. You know, it's a little silky for my taste, cause I want it to lock. I don't want it to really be silky. So pretty greasy. I mean, not in a sense of, yeah, it's pretty oily. Um, I put sulfurate on my hair from time to time, on my scalp actually, not on my hair, but I put that on my scalp. When it itches, that really works when it's itching. It helps me. So I've used this spray oil by Mango and Lime, and basically, it's an oil, and you just spray it in your hair like so. Just spray it in there. And it has this little nozzle, which is what I like about it. It has this nozzle here, and you just spray it whenever you need it. Unfortunately, I broke the nozzle so it doesn't spray right like I need it. So I put it inside of the Do Grow bottle, which I really enjoy Do Grow oil. This is the stimulating growth oil. It's like a dark brown color usually, but the green stuff that's in there is the stuff from the spray oil. So don't get that confused if you never use Do Grow. The coconut oil, I mean, it works good. It's alright, but I usually mainly use it for the skin, so I don't even know why that's here. And the serum, someone actually gave this to me, and I used it probably 2 or 3 times. It's too thick for me, and it's alright, but it's nothing I probably wouldn't be using very often. Like I wouldn't buy it again, as if I did the first time. This cactus oil moisturizer is really good. I just bought it probably last week, and it works pretty good. It's leave-in moisturizer, just helps your locks get a little moisture to them, or help them get, yeah, just a little moisture to them so they won't be dry and everything. So yeah, that's it for my products, and that's what I use on my hair. If you got hair